Good news for drivers in Malaysia. Road tolls on PLUS Malaysia highways will drop 18% on the 1st of February, and there won't be any increases for 38 years.
Here's an example. Drivers heading north from Johor will pay just over 11 Malaysian cents per kilometre, down from 13.6 cents. The decision was made during a cabinet meeting this week. A review of highway contracts, including the possible abolition of tolls, was one of Pakatan Harapan's election promises. After the coalition's win, the pledge pivoted towards reducing toll charges in stages.